Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing my recipe and simple process for making homemade oil of oregano. You might already know that oregano is a popular herb used in cooking, but did you know that oil of oregano has been used for centuries in natural medicine? Today I'm going to show you how I make a fresh batch of this amazing oil, and I'll share with you 4 incredible health benefits that this oil can offer that you might not know about. For my recipe, I'm starting by harvesting a few stems from my oregano plant in my herb garden. Once I have all that I need, the next step is to give the oregano stems a thorough rinse. After rinsing, I spread the stems out on my counter before patting them down to dry with a paper towel. I then let them dry on the counter overnight, and the next morning I took one of my favorite organic extra virgin olive oils and heated up about 2 cups of oil on my stovetop. The goal is to get the oil warm, but not too hot or boiling. Next, I chopped up about half a cup of my oregano into smaller pieces. This helps release the pure oregano oil from the leaves of the plant. Then I transferred my warm oil to a glass container before adding the half a cup of oregano. Make sure your oil isn't too hot or it can cause your glass jar to crack or break. The more potent you want your oil of oregano to be, the more stems you'll want to infuse into the oil. At this point, I sealed my glass container, and here is what my oil looked like. I then stored my glass jar in a warm, dark place, which for me was my kitchen drawer, for 2 weeks. I briefly checked on the jar once a day and gave it a gentle shake to help with the infusion process. Here is what my oil looked like at the end of 2 weeks. Now I opened the jar and filtered the oil through a fine mesh strainer to remove any oregano leaves and to keep the oil texture nice and smooth. The final step is to transfer the oil to a dark glass bottle. I like these bottles with droppers that make it easy to consume the oil internally. You want to store this oil in a cool, dark place where it should last for up to 6 months. Now that we're done with our recipe, let's talk about some of the health benefits of oil of oregano. First, oil of oregano is well known for its antibacterial properties. This oil contains a compound called carvacrol, which has been shown to keep harmful bacteria in your body in check. Oil of oregano has been used as a natural treatment to help fight bacterial infections in the respiratory system, like sinus infections and bronchitis. Next, oil of oregano has natural anti-inflammatory benefits. Many of us deal with inflammation linked to things like stress, infections, and other environmental factors. Carvacrol and another compound called thymol, which is also found in oregano, can work together to reduce inflammation in the body. Another benefit of oil of oregano is that it's full of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can cause stress and damage to your body. Antioxidants can help support immune function, reduce inflammation, and aid in the body's natural detox processes. And finally, oregano oil, or oil of oregano, is fantastic for supporting digestion. It can help with everything from bloating to supporting a healthy gut. Personally, I like to consume a few drops of my oil of oregano occasionally as a preventative when I feel like I'm getting sick or when I'm dealing with digestive issues. If you're ready to try oil of oregano, do your research, talk to your doctor or health practitioner, and start with small amounts. Everyone's body is different, and you want to make sure you're using it safely. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, I invite you to subscribe and leave a comment below sharing how you've used or plan to use oil of oregano in your wellness routine. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.